Have you ever wondered what it truly takes to convict someone in a courtroom, or how those dramatic legal shows reflected reality? In a criminal trial, the prosecution proves guilt by presenting enough compelling evidence and arguments to convince the jury, or the judge if there is no jury, that the defendant is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. This high legal standard means there can be no other logical explanation derived from the facts except that the defendant committed the crime. This incredibly high standard, beyond a reasonable doubt, is the bedrock of our justice system. It protects innocent individuals from wrongful conviction by placing the entire burden of proof squarely on the government. It is not up to the defense to prove innocence, but for the prosecution to prove guilt, leaving no lingering, common-sense uncertainty in the minds of the decision-makers. To meet this standard, prosecutors employ several key strategies. They will introduce physical evidence like fingerprints, weapons, or documents, and they will present witness testimony from victims, experts, or eyewitnesses. Furthermore, they will use circumstantial evidence, which is indirect evidence that implies a fact but does not directly prove it, along with detailed legal arguments that tie all these pieces together into a cohesive narrative of guilt. An interesting nuance often misunderstood is that proving guilt is not about reaching absolute certainty. Instead, it is about eliminating reasonable doubt. This distinction ensures the system prioritizes justice for the accused while still allowing for convictions when the evidence truly warrants it. Prosecutors meticulously build their case, piece by piece, to systematically dismantle any alternative explanations of the events. Understanding this process helps you appreciate the immense responsibility of the prosecution and the fundamental protections built into our legal system. It reinforces why every piece of evidence, every witness statement, and every legal argument presented in court is critical in shaping the outcome, ultimately safeguarding the rights of all involved.